Good morning kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So in our last class we finished the question answers meanings of the lesson, the Newton folly. Okay, so today we will complete the rest of our exercises. Get ready with the page number at 44. Okay kids, so here the first bit of this page is make plural of the following words by writing un in the beginning. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ जो words दिए गए ये words को क्या करना है, un add करना है starting में, so that word will become an opposite. Okay, like equal we added un here, so it became as unequal. Next is conscious, we'll come from here. Comfortable, so comfortable, if we add un in front it will become as uncomfortable, so it's the opposite of comfortable. Conscious, you will add un in front, so it will become as unconscious. Next is happy, so opposite क्या होगा इसका, unhappy, so we'll add un here, it will become unhappy. Then kind, kind un add करने से क्या हो जाएगा, ये unkind हो जाएगा. Then necessary, we will add un in the beginning, it will become as unnecessary. Then able, un add करेंगे हम आगे तो it will become as unable. Then true, we'll add un in front, it will become as untrue. So kids, these are the opposites like equal, unequal, comfortable, uncomfortable, conscious, unconscious, happy, unhappy, kind, unkind, necessary, unnecessary, able, unable, true and untrue. Okay kids, have you got the opposites of this? So what you have to do, you have to learn these opposites. Okay, you have to learn this opposite. Now come to the next one, match these animals with their young ones. Okay, क्या करना है, ये animals को match करना है उनके babies के साथ. Young ones means their babies, like cat, kitten, tiger, cub, deer, fawn, sheep, lamb, frog, tadpole, goat, kid. Okay, so this will be your homework, you have to match with the babies. Now the next one, fill in the blanks with EE and then with EA to complete these words, find their meaning from a dictionary. Okay, तो हमें क्या करना है, ये जो words दिए गए इसमें EE add करना है and EA add करना है. So what word will we form, that word meaning we have to check it in the dictionary. So we'll write the words here as B-E-A-N, bean, B-E-E-N, bean. So what it became, bean and bean. See the difference, this pronunciation is same but the spelling is different, bean, bean. So what these types of words are called, these types of words are called as homophones. Okay, spelling different होती है but pronunciation same होता है, bean, bean. Then D-E-A-R, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, यहाँ E add किया है and यहाँ E add किया है. So it became as deer and it became as deer, deer, deer. So the pronunciation is same and the spelling is different. The next one, F-E-A-T, feet, F-E-E-T, feet, feet, feet. है ना, pronunciation is same. Feet means dawat, then feet means हमारा पैर. Then M-E-A-T, meat, M-E-E-T, meat, meat, meat. Can you find any difference? Yes, only the spelling difference because the pronunciation is same. Meat means gosht and meat means milna. H-E-A-L, heel, H-E-E-L, heel. Okay, heel means recover होना. Then ये वाला heel means हमारी एडी को क्या बोलते हैं, heel बोलते हैं. Then next one, P-E-A-R, pear, P-E-E-R, pear, pear, pear. So what it is, spelling is different but the pronunciation is same. So this pear means a fruit and this pear means a group of friends. हमारे जो friends हैं हम उन्हें pear भी बोलते हैं. Then next one, so look at this once more, bean, bean, deer, deer, feet, feet, meat, meat, heel, heel, pear, pear. Okay, here the spelling is different but the pronunciation is same. So these types of words are called as homophones. Now come to the next one, speaking skill. So what you have to do with this? You all know this bit, you have to practice it with your parents or your siblings at home. So what today's topic is? It's a conversation. Conversation means आपस में जो दो लोग बात करते हैं, that वो बातचीत को बोलते हैं conversation. ओके आप एंड आपके फ्रेंड है, आपके मम्मा है, रिगार्डिंग एनीथिंग, जो भी बात हम करते हैं दैट वो बातचीत को बोलते हैं कन्वर्जेशन. लाइक हियर द कन्वर्जेशन इज बिटवीन अमान एंड अंबुज. सो अमान इज आस्किंग व्हाट्स मैटर विद यू, प्लीज टेल मी. सो अंबुज इज सेइंग नथिंग. देन अमान सेज ओ कम ऑन टेल मी व्हाट्स रॉन्ग. अंबुज आई हैव लॉस्ट माई बुक. सो अमान इज सेइंग डोंट वरी, यू कैन शेयर माई बुक टुडे. So Ambuj is replying as thank you. So here Aman and Ambuj, ये दोनों friends है, so they are having a conversation. What type of conversation they are having? So Aman is saying कि what is wrong with you Ambuj? You are looking so sad today. Please tell me. So Ambuj is saying कि I have lost my book. So Aman says as a good friend, Aman is saying कि don't worry, you can share my book today. So Aman is saying thank you. So this is a conversation between Aman and Ambuj. So what you have to do? You have to try this type of conversations at home. Okay, now next one, comprehension. Read the following passage carefully. अभी क्या है, ये passage है. So ये passage read करने के after आपको क्या दिया गया है, sentences दिए गए हैं. So you have to complete these sentences. Okay, like after reading this paragraph, you will get to know about a specific thing. Then about that thing you have been asked some questions. Those questions you have to answer. Like the moon is a satellite of the earth, it moves around the earth. The moon is about 3,84,000 kilometers away from the earth. It has no air and water, so there is no life on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon in 1969. Since then many people have landed on the moon. So here the paragraph is about moon. So it's saying कि moon is a satellite of earth and it moves around the earth. And it is how many kilometers away? It is 3,84,000 kilometers away from earth. कितनी दूर है moon earth से? 3,84,000. But while seeing the moon at the night, can we say ये हमसे इतनी दूर है? So today night what you do? Go up on your terrace and have a look at the moon. आपको देखने से moon ऐसा लगेगा कि it's looking very nearer. देखने से बिल्कुल करीब दिखेगा. But the distance is 3,84,000 kilometers. Okay, and so as there is no air and water on the moon, so there is no life. Moon पे क्या है? Air and water दोनों भी नहीं है. So what happens? Nobody can live there. So there is no life. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. So जब first rocket launch हुआ moon के ऊपर, who was the first person to step on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong जो एस्ट्रोनॉट थे, उन्होंने मून के ऊपर फर्स्ट स्टेप किया था. सो इन विच ईयर? इन 1969. 1969 में नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने फर्स्ट स्टेप किया था मून पे. फ्रॉम देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स मैनी पीपल ने मून पे रॉकेट्स लैंड किए. सो हियर कम टू अवर क्वेश्चन पार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज द मून इज अ, what is the moon of the earth? It is a satellite of the earth. Moon is a satellite of earth. Then the moon moves around the, कहाँ move होता है moon? Around the earth. It moves around the earth. The moon is about how many kilometers away from the earth? It is 3,84,000 kilometers away from the earth. Then who was the first person to land on the moon? It was Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Then Neil Armstrong landed on the moon in, कब land हुए moon के ऊपर Neil Armstrong? In the year 1969. Okay, fine. So now turn up your page. Here you are having a funny game. It's tongue twister. You have to twist your tongue to read this funny paragraph. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको ये बहुत स्पीड sentences बोलने पड़ेंगे. It's called a tongue twister. Okay. So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppercorn. A peck of pickled peppercorn did Peter Piper pick. If Peter Piper picked a pick of pickled peppercorn, where's the pick of pickled peppercorn that Peter Piper picked? So can you read it? Do try it at home. It's a very funny thing and do say it very fast. बहुत fast speed पढ़ने की आप try करो. So what will happen? Your tongue will twist. Okay? आपकी ज़बान क्या होगी? Twist हो जाएगी and you can't say it properly. So it's a very fun. So these type of words and sentences, it's called as tongue twister. So mostly we play a game na, loco poco poco loco, this type of things, and there are many, like if I saw such a saw that I never saw, honey bunny bunny honey, है ना? So these types of words are called as tongue twisters. Now come to the next one, thinking skill. So Isaac Newton had a dog named Diamond. One day Diamond had torn Newton's shopping list. Newton did not become angry. He joined these pictures together to find out what he wanted. You can also join these pictures together. So one day what happened, Newton's dog whose name was Diamond, उन्होंने क्या किया, वो dog Diamond ने एक लिस्ट स्टोर अवे कर दी, यानी फाड़ दी वो लिस्ट जिसमें न्यूटन के ग्रोसरीज लिखे थे, यानी वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह उनकी जो शॉपिंग लिस्ट थी वो the Diamond towed away. So what did he do? The Newton, did he get angry? No, he didn't get angry, but instead he joined the pictures and learned what he wanted was to buy. So here the pieces of the paper are there. What we have to do? We have to arrange to find out what was written in the shopping list. So first one is done here, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now next one is grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Then next one, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Then is tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Papaya, P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Then carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. So this was the items written in the shopping list that was to be bought by the Newton. Okay kids? So as your homework, what you have to do? You have to learn this opposite words and do the written part, match the following at page number 44. Okay? Homework, learn opposites. At page 44 and do match the following. The animals. Okay kids? So in your classwork you have to write the meanings and question and answers, and do learn this opposites and to complete the reader part. So in the next class we will start our next chapter. So till then, don't wait, make the work pending, complete it on time, and stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.